Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to be here and to welcome you to the very, very prestigious 5th Annual Estate Awards 2013. The Estate Awards 2013 is the 5th edition of these annual awards by real estate developers, brokers, for real estate developers, brokers and service providers. This platform is initiated by the Estate World magazine for the industry to share innovative ideas and practices that are transforming the face of the real estate industry today. The first set of awards for the evening, I'd like to invite Mr. Manoj Gaur, Managing Director, Gaur Sons India Private Limited, and Ms. Ritu Maria, Editor-in-Chief, Franchise India Holdings Limited, to come and please give the awards. So this category, the first set of awards, are for Project of the Year. And the very first one is for Eco-Friendly Commercial Project of the Year, North India, Cosmic Group. The motto of the group is "Construction is our passion." The next award, Residential Project of the Year, North India, Lake Grove by TDI Infra Corp Limited. TDI Lake Grove at Kundli, Sonipat, and the motto is "Live by the Blue." The next one, Most Preferred Upcoming Mall of the Year. Now that's something I'm looking forward to. DLF Mall of India, Noida. With 2 million square feet, GLA Mall of India will be the largest mall of the country, which aims to redefine retail in India. Luxury Residential Project of the Year, North India, Casablanca by JP Greens. This is going to be a 3-tower building of sheer luxury, offering the most mesmerizing golf views. Most Preferred Shopping Mall of the Year, North India, Elante Mall by L&T Realty. Beautifully smart. Many congratulations. We have a large delegation coming from LT Reality. And the next, Best Project in Rajasthan, Advance Saga Castle by Advance India Builders and Promoters Private Limited. And I like their very, very poetic motto that they've sent. Tomorrow is the day on which the entire globe will set eyes on India for having this supreme edifice created by the brains and arms of AIBPL with uncustomary specialization.
This is the third recognition and second award for the same project. And why I'm telling you this, because when I started this project in Bhiwadi, and that's to be the tallest commercial tower of Bhiwadi, so people criticizes a lot. But I just want to thanks to my Advance India team and channel partners for giving this wonderful honor. And thank you very much once again, Estate World also. Thank you very much.
Best Project in Uttar Pradesh, Sushant Golf City by Ansal API. Spread across 3530 acres. Now that's a lot of land. It's also known as the New Lucknow. Best Project in Delhi, NCR, King's Court by DLF Universal Limited. King's Court, luxury homes overlooking the Jahanpana forest in GK2, Delhi. Best Project in Punjab, Hyde Park Estate by DLF Universal Limited. My God, they're sweeping. If you love Chandigarh, you love it twice with DLF in New Chandigarh, an integrated township. Best Project in Himachal Pradesh, Samavana by, no surprises here, DLF Universal Limited. DLF Samavana, 58-acre exclusive residential development enveloped by tall pine trees in one of my most beautiful and favorite hill stations, Kasoli. Best Project in New Gurgaon, Greenberg by Microtech. Ultra luxury homes.
I would especially like to thank my team here who has done all the hard effort. I mean, without it could not have been done. And lastly, to my broker friends, my channel partners, that you know, we as a company, we believe that the customer is God. So, yes, we go to the temples, but our customers, our God is you. So we always do, and we will always do transparent things, quality things, so we can win your trust. Thank you.
We have the next two sets of awards. The category is Awards in the Broker category. The first of which is Most Innovative Broker of the Year, NCR. Finlays Consulting Private Limited. Redefining professionalism in real estate. The next one is Best Real Estate Consultant of the Year, North India. And the award goes to Investors Clinic, whose motto is Property, Peace, Prosperity, the 3 Ps, very important, and PELF. Coming to the next one, Best Broker of the Year, NCR. Now that's a biggie. New Bricks Advisory Private Limited, who are popularly known as the Drona of real estate. Now you better go read your Mahabharata to see what that means. Any of you like to speak some few words?
So on behalf of the entire New Bricks team, I would like to thank Franchise India and would like to add that on our behalf, what we do is just sell dreams to the end customers. But the people who make this a reality are the developers. So it is really important for us to choose the right product and the right developers for whom we are doing these sales. So I would like to thank all the developers who have transformed our commitments into reality. Thank you.
Very well done, short and sweet. Okay, next one, Emerging Brokers of the Year, Delhi NCR, In-Town Realtors. And their motto is Safe Investment, Secure Future. Emerging Brokers of the Year, Haryana, RSA Realty Private Limited. And their motto is, our vision is clear through our core idea statement. Returns, safety, appreciation. Okay, I want a broker like that. Thank you. The next category, subcategory of this is the Suppliers Awards. Outstanding contribution to the real estate sector through growth in home loans, North India. The Punjab National Bank. PNB Housing Finance is India's fastest growing housing finance company. And the last award in this category, Best Architecture Services of the Year, North India. Space Designers International Architecture. Dreaming to develop and create high-rise and townships in NCR. They are the Space Designers of International Architecture. I'd love to see some of their work, actually. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving the awards.